Today we're in Bandon, Oregon. We're looking for a boondocking spot. We're hoping we can park on the beach this weekend for the 4th of July. And we're waiting on a little bit of mail while we're here. So come check out Bandon with us.
Wherever I go, I will always know everything I need is right here with me. It's time to let it all go.
Overlander has this gravel parking lot as an overnight spot. It's $6 for a 24-hour period, and it appears there's a lot of van lifers and RVs here. So within 5 minutes of being in Bandon, Oregon, we met a musician named Ty that also teaches surfing lessons, and he was over at the farmer's market, just finished up, and he contacted Nick. He's heading out surfing, so I think Nick's gonna tag along. He's gonna need a wetsuit. We're hoping Ty has one that fits him, but we've already got a surfboard, and so we are ready to head out and see if you can catch some waves today.
We pulled into this town about, an hour or so ago, and met our friend Ty, who invited me to go out surfing, and I told him, well, I don't know how to surf, and he said he'd be happy to teach me. So got my surfboard from somewhere in Southern California beaches. I don't even remember which beach it was I found this on. Encinitas, that's right. Finally got to learn how to use it. Ty hooked me up with a nice wetsuit. I want to be a surfer boy. Let's go try it out.
Oh yeah, dude. Let's charge it.
We're going surfing. It's probably 65 out right now. So Pacific Ocean's probably 55 and the air temp's 65. Not much wind. Under normal circumstances, I would not be getting in the water. Sounds like a very cold experience. But this guy that I met 5 minutes ago convinced me that this suit that I'm wearing gives me superpowers. So it's not gonna be cold. Hope you're right, Ty.
This is the beach Ty brought us out to. There's actually a massive parking lot out here, so we might just bring our rig over here to stay for the night. It's a really nice beach, little cool cove with lots of rock structures, a lot of driftwood, and boys are gonna go out there and learn to surf.
Yeah, that's really good. Even lower though, if you can. Yeah, if you can. But find it comfy. Paddle, paddle, paddle. Push up. Yes, that's exactly it. Stay away from the white. Right? So when the wave comes up, before it breaks, you want to start riding the surface of the wave, face of the wave. Like right here. Oh, catch that?
These guys have been out here probably for an hour in this freezing cold water. I'm freezing and I'm not even in the water. They're giving it a good try. The waves are a little choppy today, but still fun nonetheless. I'm heading in. We're gonna see if Nick catches a wave. I'm gonna go turn the hot water heater on for him so he can have a nice warm shower when he's done. I caught a few of him on his knees, but we'll see how he does. I might miss something while I'm gone.
My feet or no?
I went to turn the water heater on for you.
Oh, you're so sweet.
So we're in Bandon, Oregon, escaping some heat. And as you can see, we've got our chiller behind us. So we originally brought it from Sacramento up to Oregon with the thought that we were going to build it out for Nick's little brother, and that didn't work out. So we've halted the building. Now we're trying to decide what to do with it. We spent a good chunk of our savings on it, so we're hoping to maybe put it to work. I think we've decided to keep it. It's actually really nice to have all this. We built an upper storage in it where we have placed a bunch of our items that don't fit in the camper, and then we've got a bed built in there so far, a bed frame that was temporary, but we can still use it. Shoot us a comment down below, let us know what you think we should do with it. If we should continue building it out, or turn it to an art studio, music studio, haul stuff with it to make some extra cash. Should we make it a Patreon place to meet and hang out, or a podcast spot? Lots of ideas, it's huge inside. There's so many things we could do with it. We want to hear your opinions, your thoughts. Today we're checking out Bandon, Oregon. It's a cute little fishing town. So many people we've met along the way when we told them we're going to Oregon said check out Bandon, and we're glad we did. The people here are very, very kind, and we've been here for a few days. We're going to be here for a few more days. We're waiting on some mail.
y'all think? Yes! Yes! Little pirate party, come back, say, arr! All right.
We just recently purchased a old trailer. This trailer is 22 years old, and it shows in the plug, man. This thing's all corroded. The latch here is pretty wore out. Our running lights are flickering, and the power is inconsistent. I've gone through most of the wiring in here, and it all looks up to par. So the last thing to do is replace the trailer plug. I just rewired the trailer plug. It was old and corroded. I fixed some of the janky wiring within the trailer. All of our trailer lights work as they should. I tried looking up the wiring diagram online, and I got a wiring diagram that looked like it was the one. I wired it up, and boy, my blinker turned my reverse lights on, and my running lights turned my blinker on. It was just all kinds of madness. Turned out I had the wrong wiring diagram, but before I figured that out, I tried reversing it because I thought maybe I was looking at it from the wrong direction. So I have wired this plug 3 times now.
We're having a great time here. We spent the 4th of July here. We met a bunch of cool people, and I think we are heading to Crescent City next. We met the owner of the cidery down here. He's a generational farmer who recommended we check out the Boy Scout Forest. I think it's called Boy Scout Forest.
If you ever get a chance, I would tell you Jedediah Smith State Park outside of Crescent City, and you go to Boy Scout Tree. You're gonna go along this old Indian casino, and it's abandoned. It's gone. We're going up this hill, and we'll drop down into this basin. And you're gonna. And I go, what? And he goes, you're going to lose it. And I got it. So we go up this hill. We're to Crescent City, right below us. We go up, come down. Oh my God. It is like one of the 7th wonders in the world. You go in there, and every tree is 13, 14, 15 feet through. And I mean, it's like from this wall to that wall. And you're looking at these trees. They're the tallest, some of the tallest trees in the world. And you're looking at this, and you're an ant walking through this forest, and you're going, oh my God. There are certain things in the United States you have to see, have to appreciate. And Boy Scout Tree was a hike. Just go. You will just absolutely go. Oh my God.
That's back into Northern California, and we know well the trees in California are massive, so we are looking forward to checking those out. I love the redwoods. I'm sure they're redwoods by his description. Today we're leaving Bandon, Oregon. We're gonna head about 3 hours south to Crescent City. We thought we'd jump on that adventure and head down there and see what's going on. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button for us, subscribe if you haven't already, head over to our Patreon page, maybe buy us a mile, and we'll see you next Tuesday on another adventure.